Hello everyone, welcome to Plabita's tutorials. Friends, if you're a regular viewer of my channel, then what you have to do? Yes, you already know it. Yes, you have to hit the like button, share my channel with your friends and families, and if you're completely new, then you have to subscribe my channel and also tap the bell icon to get regular updates. And if you don't want to miss anything of this video, then you have to watch the video till the end. Today I have collected a few sentences from certain newspapers like the Hindu, the Sentinel, the Times of India, the Indian Express and the Assam Tribune. And if you are a regular watcher of my channel, then you will obviously know that I also upload videos on certain words which I collect from the newspapers for you. And these words comes or it may come in this competitive examinations. Besides, it is also important to increase your vocabulary. So I upload such kind of videos. And if you are completely new, then you may watch the link in the description box or also in the I button, where I will give the suggest the videos on this kind of vocab series which I collect from the newspapers. So let's continue. The first sentence I have collected from the newspaper The Hindu, and the sentence is as follows: Man asphyxiated while trying to clean a well. I repeat, man asphyxiated while trying to clean a well. So in this sentence, the word asphyxiated is completely new. That means if someone is killed, he does not have, there is lack of air in that environment, or he gets suffocated and because of that he dies. That is known as asphyxiated or asphyxiated. Its synonyms are suffocate, stifle, etc. And for your better understanding, I have given another example, and the example is as follows: He could not come out of the room as he was asphyxiated by gas. That means because of suffocation, he could not come out of the room. He felt that there was lack of air, and because of gas, he could not breathe properly. This is known as asphyxiated. Okay, this is the meaning of the word asphyxiated. You please note it down in your diary so that you can use it in for your future purpose. As I always say in my videos, that please note it down, note the words properly. This is a very good habit. Okay, this is the first word of the first sentence which I have collected. Now let's move forward to the next sentence. The next sentence I have collected from the newspaper The Indian Express, and the sentence is as follows: Vijay's fans upset over Siddiqui's unsavory statement. I repeat, Vijay's fans upset over Siddiqui's unsavory statement. So in this sentence, the word unsavory, I have selected the word unsavory to find out the meaning, and let us discuss the meaning also. Unsavory is in the adjective form, and its meaning is disagreeable and unpleasant, something which is not pleasant. You cannot accept it. That is known as unsavory. You cannot bear it. You cannot tolerate it. That is the meaning of the word unsavory. And synonyms are disreputable, mean. Okay, please note it down. And for your better understanding, I have given another example. The sentence is like this: Her unsavory words irritates me often. That means she speaks such kind of words which I cannot tolerate it, I cannot bear it, and it irritates me. Okay, this is known as the meaning of the word unsavory. It means you cannot tolerate some kind of people's statements, arguments. Okay, this is and that is for which you feel irritation, you cannot agree it. That is known as the meaning of the word unsavory. Clear? Now let's come to the third sentence. The third sentence is from the newspaper The Assam Tribune, and the sentence is as follows: Congress slams government, APSC over answer key goof up. I repeat, Congress slams government, APSC over answer key goof up. So goof up is within quotes, and I have selected this as to find out the meaning of this term. So let's find out the meaning. The goof up is in the noun form, and its meaning is a stupid mistake. That means a mistake which you make by your stupidity. Means you know that you have committed it by your what to say, you have committed that mistake knowingly. You know that if you commit that mistake, that means you will have a great loss. That is known as a stupid mistake or goof up. Okay, its synonyms are blow, bumble, etc. You can understand it more properly if you follow this example. I could pass the interview, but I goofed up. That means you have given a certain answer which made you to fail in the interview. Otherwise, you could pass the examination, and you know also that you have made that mistake stupidly. Okay, that is the meaning of the word goof up. Okay, this is not the, it is not that these words are only used in the newspapers. These words mostly comes in the competitive examinations. Okay, so please note it down. Then the fourth sentence is like this. I have collected the sentence from the newspaper The Sentinel, and the sentence is as follows. Paddy fields inundated due to heavy rain in Boko. I repeat, paddy fields inundated due to heavy rain in Boko. So in the sentence, the word inundated is selected by me, and let's discuss the meaning. Inundated is in a verb form, and its meaning is to be overlaid, loaded with things or people to be dealt with. That means something which is over than necessity. Okay, that is known as inundated, overloaded with things or people. Sometimes you may be overloaded with things, sometimes you may be overloaded with people, and which you cannot deal with. That is known as inundated. Its synonyms are overwhelmed, overburdened. I hope you have understood through the synonyms only. Still, I have given an example. The manager was inundated with lots of complaints. That means he was overloaded with so much complaints that he was inundated. He was overwhelmed. He was overburdened. He could not tolerate so much of complaints. That is the meaning of this sentence explains the meaning of the word inundated. I hope you have understood it. Then the last sentence I have collected from the newspaper The Times of India, and the sentence is as follows. Marry girl you eloped with, then FIR will be quashed. I repeat the sentence. Marry girl you eloped with, then FIR will be quashed. Let us discuss the meaning of the word quashed. Quashed means means to reject as invalid by legal procedure. It is in the verb form, and I repeat the meaning once again. To reject as invalid by legal procedure. That means it explains that if you marry a girl with whom you have eloped, that means with the girl whom you have decided to live your life, if you elope with that girl, then FIR will be declared as invalid. Such kind of FIR will not be declared as valid. Okay, that is the meaning of the word quashed. That means to declare something as invalid by legal procedure. Legally will say that yes, this case is invalid because it is this elopement and all these are done by the willingness of both the male and the female. So such kind of cases will be this will be regarded as invalid by the court. Okay, this is the meaning of the word quashed. I hope you have understood it. Its synonyms are negate, cancel, and its another sentence is like this. I have given you the statement that you gave me will be quashed if no evidence is found. That means if you give a statement and if you do not give any proof, then a statement will be declared as invalid. Okay, I hope I have not spoken too fast, and if yes, then you may tell me in the comment box. I will try to speak or reduce the speed of my speaking. Okay, so for today this much only. I hope you have understood it, and thank you for watching the video.